So welcome back to WhatKarenLoves. Today we're going to do a makeup tutorial featuring NikkieTutorials palettes. Also, we're going to be using our beauties products, a couple of them anyway. So let's get started because Lord Jesus, we were recording for a couple minutes here and we were having some palette issues and it was not working with me. So we're going to redo this, shall we? Because obviously alright, let's get started. We're obviously we already got our foundation already on and all that stuff, so let's get started, shall we? And we got a new lighting system, so hopefully it's all good, and a new memory card, so hopefully I don't know. Alright, we're doing blend and snap, and let's look at the colors because obviously we didn't do that in this video. So this is from that video that I'm talking about that I was just doing, and I'm so mad that it didn't work. I actually like the color, and that's why there's glitter all over my face. That's a downside that I noticed about this freaking palette, that glitter gets everywhere. It sticks to you really bad. And also I noticed that when you do one swatch, the freaking like thing goes everywhere, and I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's just me, maybe it's just how I'm doing it. I don't know if it's just the glitter ones, but man, because I noticed if it's just the normal ones, that the blend and snap is doing okay. Maybe it's just the glitter like ones. Alright, let's get into this, shall we? Trust me, I'll try to get it to go get it off me like 5 times, and it will not come off me. So if you see that, that is why. It's because I tried to do a look. I tried to do a look before this video started. I'm so mad that it didn't work out. Yo, this pink be popping. Yo, I don't know if y'all can see it. I'm putting it on again. I never had liquid blush before, so I'm really intrigued how it will work out for me. There's freaking glitter all over my face right now. I feel like I have freaking highlighter on. Okay. Alright. We're gonna go over this with my finger because I feel like it's not like all over my face right now. Also, I'm really hoping that Selena Gomez is a palette, because like I would like love to like, you know, like get it for real. Like for real. So I'm not gonna like she does one. I don't know what she is, but I'd be down to get it. Like I'd be down to get it for real. Like for real, for real. Like for real. For real. That pink though. Alright. Alright. It's finally working for me. Okay. I fall out though. Or anything that might have come up too high, because I can't see myself. I've been trying to do better about blending, so anything that comes up too high, I try to like blend it into the look. See? I've been working on it, y'all. I'm trying to get better at it. I feel still the same way about that middle, so I'll go over it again. Alright, this one needs a little bit more action. I don't care if it looks crazy because, like, you know, I just want to have fun. I had a rough night last night at work, so what's the point of makeup? You know, have fun. You know, I got freaking foundation all over my nose and it didn't work out well for me. I'm bummed. Alright. Make sure it's still recording. It looks, oh my god. I mean, it looks pretty cool. The other one looks really good. Like, that pink is popping. Maybe if I don't. That pink is popping, for real. That pink is popping. Pink on my eyelashes now. Pink is popping. Alright, pink on me. I think it looks good, yo. I'm proud of it. Alright. Now we're gonna go in with this handy gun little guy here. Choose some different color. Hold on, I got it. I ain't gonna sing, so I'm gonna copyright it. Okay. We're gonna go in with what color should I do? We're gonna go in with, I'm thinking Roxy would look pretty. Roxy Canton, I think that's how you say that. Nothing like a little glitter can go a long way, yo. And then I'm gonna go in with some Nikkie because ain't a Nikkie tutorial will wet the Nikkie color. Am I right? I gotta make sure this is still recording. Oh, that red is so pretty. That Nikkie be pretty, yo. I gotta put somewhere in there. It kind of moved out, you know me. That red is so pretty. So pretty, yo. Like that red is so cool. That red is so cool. Alright, we don't want to lose that pink because I see that pink kind of. Oh, I didn't grab that. I see that pink kind of drifting away, so we're gonna grab it and yank it back in there. We're gonna yank it back in there. That red is so pretty though. I'm loving that red though, for real. Alright. I gotta keep it on time. Okay. And the battery's down, yo. Hurry up. Yeah, alright. Yo, that blending, yo. That blending is so cool. Okay. Alright, I gotta do some finger action now. What color should I do? Okay. We're gonna do Ivy, because that's a pretty color. Is it? Ooh, that's so pretty. I think I should have blended that out a little bit more first before I put that on my finger. I just like dipped in. Right now, Tom. I'm trying to hurry up. Alright. I'm gonna do this so that way. Let's see what, okay. Alright. So our next thing we gotta do is in the corner. And I'm gonna go in with Pride, because and NikkieTutorials without some Pride. Alright, okay, now, alright, the last thing we have to do, oh, sides. Alright, what is this? Get this out the way. Let me give you the look. Y'all, I'm obsessed. Okay. Now, I don't know how to do this. It's the first time I've ever used highlights. I mean, she said she did it. How did we know? Alright. I forgot before. Oh, weird. We're gonna use all the brush here. Go in. Put somewhere on his side because I'm gonna mess this up. make sure it's still recording. Shit. Sorry for the bad mouth. Yes, gotta make sure it's still recording, you guys. Sorry, I'm not used to liquid stuff, so we'll get used to it eventually. Alright, I think that's good enough. Alright, we only got 4 minutes, so we gotta hurry up, okay? Because I don't know how to use this one, so we're gonna try our best to do this. We're just gonna do the same thing. Okay. Hair is trying to get in the way, obviously. I like some of my cheeks, so, and I'm probably getting some of my hand right now. Okay, I'm running out of time. I'm running out of time. Alright, I'm just gonna give you the rundown look right now because I'm running out of time. Okay. I think I got it pretty much good. It's hard to see some of this stuff, man. I gotta admit. Gotta admit. Alright. Cool. Alright, I don't know if I did it right. If I didn't, you can shoot me later. Don't do that for real, but I mean, I don't know if I did it for real. I don't know if I did it right. I have no idea. I'll just shake it up again. So, anyway, let's give you the rundown before I run out of time. Alright. I did the Selena Gamma, it's a Rare Beauty, the NikkieTutorials palette. Y'all, I'm loving this look for real. I think it's popping. I think it looks good. I'm trying to give y'all a rundown look for real. I think it looks good. I don't know. I think her I think the Rare Beauty is awesome. I love the colors. I love the palette. I love the everything about the palette. I just don't like how the glitter is. I don't know. Maybe it's just me. I love everything about it though. I think it's thumbs up. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Go check out the blog down below. Let me know what you think about the NikkieTutorials palette and Rare Beauty. And that's all I have to say. Thank you so much for watching. And that's all. Bye.